Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to book hotel reservation for visa application without paying. So here, as you can see, I will be using the booking.com for this video. So here to create your account, the first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser. That's right. And then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out booking.com, and then you'd be able to see this section. That's right. Now that you're here, just simply click on your profile at the top right. Okay, this one right here. And then you have here your My Account option. So just simply click on this one. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and right here you can continue using your email address. You have your Google account, Apple, and Facebook. So you just have to choose your account, and then you'd be able to log in right here. Now, here on booking.com, as you can see at the top, we have stays, flights, flight plus hotel, car rental, attraction, and airport taxes. So here, we're just going to focus on the stay section. So this one is the hotel section. Okay. Now, right here, as you can see, this is the section where you have to type out the city that you want to book a hotel. So for example, Japan. That's right. Okay, so you just have to click on it. And then here, just have to select your dates. Okay, so for example, you will be staying there for 3 days, so from October 1 to October 5. Okay, and then here for the the adult section, we have here the adults, the children, and the rooms. So if you are traveling with pets, you can also click on this button right here, so that all of the results that you see here includes pets with the room. Okay, so right here, just going to select one adult for this one and click on search after that. Okay, so right here, you will then just have to see the available hotel for this one. For example, you will be staying in this location. Okay, so I'm just going to choose a cheaper location. So for example, this one. That's right. So you just have to click on it and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And right here, you have the available images for this hotel. Okay, and then for the amenities, we have good breakfast, restaurant, private bathroom, free Wi Fi, room service, non smoking rooms, private parking, air conditioning, bathtub, and then facilities for disabled guests. Okay, so right here we have about this property section. Okay, now right here you just have to scroll down and then see if for the your choices section, no prepayment needed. So you have to pay for this one at the property. So it means that you don't need to pay online in order for you to book this reservation. Okay, so this is the first method that you can do in order for you to find places where you don't have to pay online to make a reservation. Now, the next thing that you should do here is to select the room number. So, for example, we only need one room for this one. After that, just click on this option right here. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and you will be redirected to this section. Now, right here, just have to enter your details. So, your first name, last name, your email address, your country or region. Then you have to type out right here your phone number. That's right. And then here are the other details for this hotel. After that, you just have to click on the next final details. After that, you have to type out your card in order for you to book this hotel. Now, I'm also going to show you another way on how you can find hotels where you don't have to pay it online in order for you to book them. Okay, so as you can see right here at the left side, we have here the filter section. Okay, so just have to scroll down and you have to click on this no prepayment. Okay, so just simply click on it. And then all of the hotel results that you're going to see here are all prepayments. It means that you don't need to pay online for you to book them. Okay, so you can see here the label. So no prepayment. You can pay this at the property. So yeah, you just have to simply click on it to confirm. Okay, so this is the images of this hotel. Then you have here the amenities and then the other details for this hotel. So here on the your choices section, as you can see, we have free cancellation before September 30, no prepayment needed. You have to pay this one at the counter, and it also have free private taxi from the airport to this property. So you just have to choose your prices right here. So after that, just have to click on I'll reserve. Now going back here, you have many hotel, and then if you are looking for a quality hotel, although you don't need to pay online, just have to click on the no prepayment option, and then after that go here in this section and let's go to the review score. So if you are looking for a wonderful score for a specific hotel, so just simply click on this option as well. Okay, so for example, this one. Okay, so let's see if this hotel has an amazing place. Okay, so I think it is actually good. So to view the hotel images, you just have to simply click on it, and you have here the images for each room. Okay, now you also have here the reviews from different clients or different people who have been to this hotel. So according to the reviews, it's actually a good place to stay. So you just have to close this one. And then after that, you just have to click on a reserve. So scroll down again to confirm if this place does not require you to pay it online. So we also have here the no prepayment needed to pay at the counter. So now you just have to select your room number right here and then click on the I'll reserve option. That's right. And then after that, you just have to enter your details. Now, here on booking.com, although you don't need to pay online during your booking, you have to input your card so that you can reserve this booking. Okay, so don't worry because they will not going to charge your card. You just have to type your details so that you can book this booking. So just input right here and then include all of the required details from you, and then make sure that your email address is active because that's where they're going to send the booking confirmation for this hotel. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.